Siemens recently commissioned a study through Aberdeen Research on the adoption and prevalence of design for manufacturing within the PCB industry entitled PCB Design Best Practices. It focused on small, mid sized, enterprise, and large enterprise companies located in Europe and North America and examined the design spins these companies experience, their relationships to their manufacturing partners, and the important factors that drive their overall success. One of the most prevalent factors that determines a company's success within the industry is their overall design success. That is, their ability to release new designs in a cost effective, reliable, and timely manner. The study found that a PCB design undergoes an average of 2.9 revision spins before being released. Each respin costs $28,000 on average and takes 2 weeks to resolve, meaning that companies spend over $80,000 on redesign alone, delaying releases by almost 6 weeks. In addition to this, companies using DFM software produce 49% more PCB designs per year, and they do so in 12% less time. The complete report for this study goes into much greater detail, covering the turnaround time and design schedules for each company broken down by size. Manufacturing scrap is the waste of materials resulting from a production error. Well, having to respin a design to better optimize it for manufacturing can be considered engineering scrap. That's because a respin results in avoidable costs. Reducing or eliminating these costly respins and saving this precious time are part of the reasons why rigorous DFM practices are part of an overall best practices workflow. Best in class companies, those representing the industry's top performing respondents, are significantly more likely to deploy overall DFM best practices. This is highlighted in the use of DFM software throughout their PCB design flow. 54% of best in class companies use DFM software to review their PCB design before release, while only 41% of the remaining companies use DFM software to review their design, meaning that best-in-class companies are 32% more likely to use DFM software. These companies are also far more likely to be using advanced technologies like controlled impedance, HDI microvias, backdrill, embedded components, and flex and rigid flex circuits. The Aberdeen study revealed that companies that use DFM software are more likely to overcome the top 3 challenges that the designers were tasked with. They were 49.7% more likely to finish on time, they were 40% more likely to finish on budget, and they were 27.3% more likely to achieve their quality goals. Using DFM software to review PCB designs prior to release is directly linked to the overall improved results, reducing technical queries, decreasing the overall development cycle time, and increasing the number of designs built per year. A design flow that includes DFM capabilities to identify and address issues at the earliest stages and throughout the design flow greatly increases the likelihood that products meet the time, cost, and quality objectives. Utilizing DFM software shows a 23% decrease in manufacturing cycle time and a 15% decrease in development time. On top of this, 12% more projects achieve their cost targets, 10% more projects are shipped on time, and 10% more projects achieve quality targets. The most interesting component of the survey itself is the overall industry's use of DFM software. Only 44% of those companies surveyed are currently using DFM software. This means that a majority of the industry is currently not taking advantage of the benefits of DFM and represents a significant untapped growth potential for the majority of OEMs worldwide. Read the complete study, PCB Design Best Practices in 2023, on Siemens.com to see more detailed information on the state of the PCB industry today.